Welcome to Automatrix, where we dive deep into the latest cars redefining the road. Today, we're talking about a legendary name that's making a bold return, the Volkswagen Beetle 2025. This reimagined icon combines nostalgia with cutting-edge technology, offering a perfect blend of history and innovation. Let's take a closer look at what makes this Beetle a game-changer. Main content. The Volkswagen Beetle has always been a symbol of fun, personality, and timeless design. For 2025, Volkswagen has reintroduced the Beetle with a completely modern twist, while keeping its unmistakable charm intact. From the very first glance, you'll recognize the classic round silhouette, but the 2025 Beetle takes it further, with sleeker lines, a more aerodynamic profile, and bold new features that reflect today's automotive trends. Under the hood, the 2025 Beetle offers an electrified heart. Volkswagen has equipped it with a fully electric drivetrain to align with their commitment to sustainability. The base model features a single electric motor producing 220 horsepower, while the high-performance variant, dubbed the Beetle GT, packs dual motors, delivering an impressive 320 horsepower and all-wheel drive. The instant torque and seamless acceleration make it a joy to drive, whether you're cruising through the city or taking on the open road. In terms of range, the 2025 Beetle delivers. The base model offers up to 280 miles on a single charge, while the GT variant provides a slightly lower range at 260 miles, compensating with its thrilling performance. Volkswagen has also integrated fast charging technology, allowing you to recharge up to 80% of the battery in just 30 minutes, making it practical for daily use. The exterior design of the 2025 Beetle is a masterclass in blending retro and modern elements. The signature round headlights are now LED and feature a distinctive circular DRL pattern that pays homage to its predecessors. The front grille is minimalistic with illuminated accents that add a futuristic vibe. The rear of the car features full-minute LED taillights and a subtle integrated spoiler, giving it a sporty yet elegant look. For those who love customization, Volkswagen offers a range of vibrant colors and even retro-inspired two-tone paint options to make the Beetle truly yours. Step inside and you're greeted by a cabin that combines nostalgia with state-of-the-art technology. The 2025 Beetle features a clean, minimalist interior with high-quality materials, soft-touch surfaces, and modern touches. The digital cockpit includes a 12.3-inch customizable driver display and a 15-inch infotainment screen with Volkswagen's latest MIB4 system. This interface supports wireless, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an array of apps for navigation, media, and vehicle settings. Comfort and convenience are at the heart of the Beetle's interior. The front seats are heated and ventilated, with memory settings for added personalization. Ambient lighting offers a spectrum of colors to match your mood, and a panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with natural light. Even the rear seats, which have been redesigned for improved legroom, are surprisingly spacious for a compact car, making the Beetle practical for small families or road trips. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The 2025 Beetle comes equipped with Volkswagen's IQ Drive suite of driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. Whether you're navigating busy city streets or cruising on the highway, these features provide peace of mind and an extra layer of security. For Beetle enthusiasts, Volkswagen has also introduced a special Heritage Edition. This variant incorporates unique design elements inspired by the classic Beetles of the past, such as vintage-style badging, special upholstery, and exclusive color options like pastel blue and sunflower yellow. It's a heartfelt nod to the Beetle's storied history while embracing the future of electric mobility. Pricing for the 2025 Beetle starts at $30,000 for the base model, with the GT variant coming in at $40,000. While these prices position the Beetle in the premium compact EV segment, it's clear that Volkswagen has delivered exceptional value with its blend of iconic design, cutting-edge features, and electric performance. So, is the 2025 Volkswagen Beetle worth the hype? If you're someone who appreciates a perfect mix of nostalgia, innovation, and practicality, this car is hard to beat. It's a vehicle that stands out in a crowd, offering a unique personality and electric performance in a way that only the Beetle can. Outro. Thanks for tuning in to Oitrix. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2025 Volkswagen Beetle, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bells so you never miss an update. Let us know in the comments, what do you think of the new Beetle? Would you drive one? We'll see you in the next